First, you'll need a vase, any vase that you want to decorate, some jute rope or twine, and I'm using tacky glue because I could not find my super glue. I prefer to use a super glue because it dries faster, but the tacky glue should work fine, and I already applied it on the rim of the vase. Once it dries, it'll dry clear. So we're going to work our way all the way down to the bottom, then we'll apply some glue again. Carefully wrap your rope around. And I'm going to let this set for about 5-6 minutes since I'm using tacky glue before I start wrapping it around again. I'm going to continue wrapping the rope around. We're going to stay as close as we can to the first layer. To wrap your jute rope around or twine, you want to apply some support, so you want to just try to hold these together so they don't roll down, especially with this kind of vase. Continue to wrap it around all the way until we get to the bottom. Halfway done, so I went ahead and put some more glue right in the middle of the vase, and we'll go ahead and just keep wrapping it around. As I get towards the bottom of the vase, I have to keep applying glue because of the shape of the vase, so it kept unraveling. I applied more glue towards the bottom of the vase to keep it from unraveling, so it stays in place. So finish up. It looks like I just have enough rope to go around. This is a 75-foot spool of jute rope that I picked up at the dollar spot at Target. I'm going to put some flowers and show you how it looks like. Our finished vase, and I went ahead and picked some flowers from the garden. I think it looks really cute. It's a cute summer centerpiece. Give you a closer look. It almost looks like a pot. It looks, you know, summery. I hope that you guys enjoyed this tutorial today. Thank you so much for watching, and happy crafting!